The world of real estate is on the cusp of a digital revolution. This transformation is being driven by the rise of cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin at the forefront. As the most well-known and widely adopted digital currency, Bitcoin is poised to reshape the way we think about property transactions. Bitcoin, the decentralized digital currency, is rapidly changing how we buy and sell properties. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks. This means that transactions can be completed directly between buyers and sellers, streamlining the entire process. Imagine a world where transactions are faster, cheaper, and more secure. With Bitcoin, this vision is becoming a reality. The blockchain technology that underpins Bitcoin ensures that every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, providing transparency and reducing the risk of fraud. This is the promise of Bitcoin in real estate. By leveraging the power of blockchain, Bitcoin offers a level of security and efficiency that traditional methods simply can't match. This is particularly appealing in high-value transactions where the stakes are higher and the need for trust is paramount. For buyers, Bitcoin offers the allure of lower transaction fees, faster closing times, and increased privacy. Traditional real estate transactions often involve multiple parties, each taking a cut of the transaction. With Bitcoin, these intermediaries are eliminated, resulting in significant cost savings. Sellers benefit from a wider pool of potential buyers, reduced risk of fraud, and immediate access to funds. Because Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, sellers can be confident that once a payment is made, it cannot be reversed or disputed. This provides a level of certainty that is often lacking in traditional transactions, and immediate access to funds. This instant access to funds can be particularly beneficial in a competitive market, where timing is everything. Sellers can quickly reinvest their proceeds into new opportunities without having to wait for lengthy bank processing times. This new paradigm of property transactions is disrupting traditional methods and ushering in a new era of efficiency and transparency. The traditional real estate market is often bogged down by paperwork, regulatory hurdles, and slow processing times. Bitcoin offers a streamlined alternative that can significantly speed up the process. The growing acceptance of Bitcoin by real estate agencies, brokers, and sellers is a testament to its potential. Many forward-thinking professionals in the industry are recognizing the benefits of integrating Bitcoin into their transactions and are actively promoting its use to their clients. As more people recognize the benefits of this digital currency, its adoption in the real estate market is only set to accelerate. The trend is clear. Bitcoin is becoming an increasingly popular choice for property transactions, and its influence is only expected to grow in the coming years. The future of real estate is digital, and Bitcoin is leading the charge. As we move towards a more connected and technologically advanced world, the integration of digital currencies like Bitcoin into the real estate market is not just a possibility, but an inevitability. The allure of Bitcoin in real estate is undeniable, and its impact is only just beginning to be felt. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, a groundbreaking innovation in the world of finance. Operating independently of any central bank or government, it represents a shift towards financial autonomy and freedom. It relies on blockchain technology, a secure and transparent ledger that records all transactions. This technology ensures that every transaction is verified and immutable. This digital ledger is distributed across a network of computers, making it virtually impossible to tamper with. The decentralized nature of the blockchain means that no single entity has control over the entire network. Each Bitcoin is a unique piece of digital code, like a virtual token. These tokens are created through a process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex mathematical problems. These tokens can be bought, sold, and traded on cryptocurrency exchanges. These exchanges operate 24/7, allowing for continuous trading and liquidity. Bitcoin's value fluctuates based on supply and demand, just like traditional currencies. However, its volatility can be much higher, leading to significant price swings. The beauty of Bitcoin lies in its decentralized nature. It empowers individuals to have full control over their finances without relying on traditional financial institutions. Transactions are peer-to-peer, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks. This peer-to-peer system ensures that transactions are direct and transparent. This results in lower fees, faster processing times, and increased privacy. The reduced transaction costs make it an attractive option for both small and large transactions. These features make Bitcoin an attractive alternative for real estate transactions, offering both buyers and sellers a more efficient and secure way to conduct business. The transparency and security of blockchain technology provide an added layer of trust in these transactions. As more people and businesses adopt Bitcoin, its potential uses continue to expand. From online shopping to international remittances, Bitcoin is becoming a versatile tool in the digital economy. Bitcoin ATMs are popping up around the world, making it easier for people to buy and sell Bitcoin with cash. This increased accessibility is driving further adoption and integration into everyday life. In developing countries, Bitcoin is providing a lifeline for those without access to traditional banking services. It offers a way to participate in the global economy and protect against local currency devaluation. The future of Bitcoin is still unfolding, but its impact on the financial world is undeniable. As technology advances and more people embrace digital currencies, Bitcoin's role in the global economy is likely to grow even more significant. The Bitcoin community is a vibrant and dynamic group of enthusiasts, developers, and investors who are passionate about the potential of this digital currency. Their collective efforts are driving innovation and adoption, shaping the future of finance. Education and awareness are key to understanding and utilizing Bitcoin effectively. As more resources become available, people are becoming more informed about how to use and benefit from this revolutionary technology. While Bitcoin has many advantages, it also faces challenges, such as its environmental impact due to the energy-intensive mining process. Efforts are underway to develop more sustainable practices and technologies to mitigate these concerns. The regulatory landscape for Bitcoin is also evolving, with governments around the world grappling with how to integrate and regulate this new form of currency. Clear and fair regulations will be crucial for its continued growth and acceptance. In conclusion, Bitcoin represents a digital revolution with the potential to transform the way we think about and use money. Its decentralized nature, security, and versatility make it a powerful tool for the future of finance. Finding a Bitcoin-friendly property is becoming increasingly easy. Numerous online real estate platforms and directories specialize in listing properties that can be purchased with Bitcoin. These platforms offer a wide range of properties, from luxury condos to sprawling estates. When vetting sellers, it's crucial to ensure their legitimacy. Look for established real estate agents or sellers with a proven track record of successful Bitcoin transactions. Conduct thorough due diligence, just as you would with a traditional real estate purchase. Verify the seller's identity, ownership of the property, and any relevant legal documents. Don't hesitate to ask questions and seek clarification on any aspect of the transaction. Remember, knowledge is power, and a well-informed buyer is a confident buyer. While Bitcoin offers numerous advantages, it's essential to understand the legal and regulatory landscape surrounding its use in real estate. Laws and regulations vary significantly from country to country, and even within different states or provinces. In some jurisdictions, Bitcoin is recognized as a legal form of payment, while in others, its status remains unclear. It's crucial to consult with a qualified real estate attorney and tax advisor who are knowledgeable about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency regulations in your area. They can guide you through the legal complexities, ensure compliance with all applicable laws, and help structure the transaction in a tax-efficient manner. Having a legal expert on your side will provide peace of mind and protect your interests throughout the process. Once you've found your dream property and navigated the legal considerations, it's time to move forward with the transaction. Purchasing real estate with Bitcoin can be an exciting and innovative process, but it requires careful attention to detail to ensure everything goes smoothly. The process is relatively straightforward, but it's essential to follow the steps carefully to ensure a smooth and secure transfer of funds. First, agree on the purchase price and terms. The first step is to agree on the purchase price in Bitcoin. Remember that Bitcoin's value can fluctuate, so it's crucial to establish a clear understanding of the exchange rate and the time frame for the transaction. This means both parties need to be on the same page regarding the exact amount of Bitcoin that will be transferred and when the transaction will take place. It's also wise to document this agreement in writing to avoid any misunderstandings later on. Next, choose a secure Bitcoin wallet. Both the buyer and seller will need a secure Bitcoin wallet to store and transfer the funds. There are various types of wallets available, each with its own security features and levels of convenience. Hardware wallets are generally considered the most secure option for storing large amounts of Bitcoin. These wallets store your private keys offline, making them less vulnerable to hacking attempts. Other options include software wallets, which can be installed on your computer or smartphone, and paper wallets, which involve printing your private keys on a piece of paper. Each type of wallet has its pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that best fits your needs and security preferences. Once both parties have their wallets set up, the buyer will initiate the Bitcoin transaction by sending the agreed-upon amount to the seller's wallet address. This address is a unique string of alphanumeric characters that identifies the seller's wallet on the Bitcoin network. It's crucial to double-check the wallet address before sending the funds, as transactions cannot be reversed once they are initiated. To add an extra layer of security, consider using a hardware wallet to sign the transaction. This ensures that your private keys never leave the device, reducing the risk of theft. After the transaction is initiated, the Bitcoin network will then verify and confirm the transaction. This process typically takes around 10 to 60 minutes, depending on network congestion and the transaction fee paid by the buyer. Higher fees can expedite the process, so if time is of the essence, it might be worth paying a bit more to ensure a quicker confirmation. During this time, both parties can monitor the transaction's progress using a blockchain explorer, which provides real-time updates on the status of the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, the funds will be transferred to the seller's wallet, and the property ownership can be officially transferred to the buyer. It's important to keep a record of the transaction details, including the wallet addresses, transaction ID, and any correspondence between the buyer and seller. This documentation can be useful for future reference and can help resolve any disputes that may arise. In conclusion, purchasing real estate with Bitcoin involves several key steps: agreeing on the purchase price, choosing secure wallets, initiating the transaction, and confirming the transfer. By following these steps carefully and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure a smooth and secure transaction. As the use of Bitcoin in real estate continues to grow, understanding these processes will become increasingly important for buyers and sellers alike.